Don't worry, I'm not going to waste too much of your time. Just wanted to talk about the video real quick. Recently, I made a YouTube Shorts, and it kind of blew up on what your favorite Honda says about you. But a lot of the comments are saying, where's this Honda? Where's that Honda? So I decided to do a whole video, including almost every single Honda that I could personally think of, and put it into what it says about you. Keep in mind, guys, that this is just for fun, so please don't get offended. And let's get right into the video. You live a very happy life. You probably never check your social media that much because you're always out ripping around in this thing. Do you actually like Hondas, or did you just buy this because your mechanic told you that it's a reliable, good on gas daily driver? You just enjoy the simple things in life, which I respect, but I think is very misunderstood a lot of the time. This one is just a phase. You'll grow out of it when you grow up. You, on the other hand, will probably never grow up, to be honest. No way, you actually know this one? Can we be friends? Because this thing is freaking sick. I'm surprised you even know it exists. Hey, alright, man. Let's be honest here. You just picked this one because it has pop-up headlights. You don't care about the four-wheel steering or amazing handling. You like this one because it has pop-up headlights. Alright. We all know this one doesn't count. Come on. You understand that every car is amazing in its own way, and you know, you're fine with this one being amazing in the not sporty way. You are just a horrible human being. This is a car that isn't amazing in its own way. You probably look up to Jeffrey Dahmer. You're going to live a very happy life. I can just tell that you always wash your hands after peeing. You're a very kind individual, and you're just gonna go ahead and live a good life. You're the complete opposite. I hope you don't live a happy life. You definitely get all your freaking dookie hands all over people when you shake their hand. You watched Adam LZ one time buy a Honda and then decided that you also wanted to get into Hondas. Literally, no matter where you go, you are always going to be the coolest guy in the room. Officer, it's this one right here. Arrest this sick man. You are one pretentious hipster. Oh, I like that one. Nobody else does. Yes, they do. Yes, they do. This one's good. This one's very good, but it's definitely not perfect. Oh god, no. No. You went the complete wrong direction there, buddy. Rewind. Hit the rewind button. There you go. You got it right this time. This one. This is the right one. You got this one as your first car, and you're just trying to save up some money for the new one, and maybe use it throughout college. You're into the classics, but you enjoy something with a little bit of fun side to it. You're old. Like, very, very old. You are so old that your social security number is 2. You probably used to ride dinosaurs to school and back every day. You are just as old as the last guy, except now you have bad taste. You're also probably as old as the other 2 gentlemen that we just talked about, but now you definitely know how to have a good time. You're old as well, but you're more like Dr. Dre old and less like Joe Biden old. Dude, I mean, yes, it's good. It's a good one. But it doesn't need a spokesperson, so calm down. You're going with the safest option, maybe a little bit overrated, but it's still a good one. I would trust you with my children. And no, not just because it's a minivan. You're just probably a very trustworthy person. You liked the 3rd generation or 2nd generation Prelude a lot, but you didn't want to be seen as the Prelude guy. Oh gee, let me guess what your favorite Toyota is. The A86? You just got into the Honda world and you have lots to learn about, but the car's not bad. It's definitely not bad. You don't really care about other people's opinions on you. You just enjoy a car that can be fun. Is this one really your favorite, or did you just need a cheap daily driver to get you to school and back on time? This is a good one. This is a very good one. An incredible one, even. But good God, you fanboys of this one. Makes it very annoying. You probably have a very low income and this was all that was available. You're pretty cool. You're a pretty cool guy. Probably very relaxed and down to earth. You're also pretty cool, but in a much different way. You're definitely not relaxed at all, and you probably drive like a maniac. You're cool like Johnny Knoxville cool. The other guy was cool like Betty White cool. You know what? I wanted to make fun of you, but it's growing on me, so I can't. Something about this one just, it's getting there. All that you see is numbers on the screen, and you get a little bit too excited. You're incredibly fun at parties, most likely. And no, I'm not being sarcastic. You're probably just a very fun person to be around. You remind me a lot of that last guy, but you probably have a higher credit score and a lot less felonies. You really wanted a Miata, but you live somewhere where the wind hurts your face for 5 months of the year. Is this one your favorite because it's actually a very good car? Or are you just really horny? You just like being able to drive all your friends around and reliably with good gas mileage. And you know what? We appreciate that. We need more people like you. This one is incredibly underrated. Very good choice on your part, but you also probably drive like a maniac. You, sir, are a very smart man. This one is great. I like you. You have amazing taste. Once again, this is such an underrated one, by the way. This one may not be everybody's favorite. As a matter of fact, it's not many people's favorite at all, but it's yours, and you are totally chill about it. All right, we get it. You like this one. There's no need to shout at everybody that you come across about it. You and this car have something in common. It is the name. Now this one is amazing, and you're probably very chill about owning it. You know what? I wanted to hate this one, but I just can't. There's something about it. You have a very unique taste, sir, and keep it up. I like what you're doing. You needed a daily driver, but you also wanted something that can be fun and enjoyable to actually drive. This one should not count at all. But I'll let it slide because you have good taste, and you're also probably going to beat me up if I don't. You are what the hipsters think they are. Very good choice. If you picked this one, you are correct. This is the best one. Look at it. Just look at it. All right. So, how's everybody else doing? How are you guys doing, guys? So, obviously today was something completely different. If you guys don't know, I've been doing YouTube shorts around this kind of stuff, and I wanted to take it to the bigger like actual channel and do like whole videos about them. And at first I was like, I can't make a whole video about a 1 minute long like topic, so I decided instead I would try to look up every single car of some of these car companies, and it is taking forever. A very ridiculously, extraordinarily long time that I didn't expect it to take. Like, excuse me, but these are 57 different cars. Yeah, 57 different Hondas, and I guarantee I've still missed a couple here and there that somebody's gonna be like, you missed this one. I guarantee it. But this is 57 different cars, and it took a long time just to do the research on finding out that there's 57 cool Hondas. Took a while. Getting all the pictures of these Hondas took a while. Getting all the phrases to use in the background took a while. Lining up all the phrases and getting them all assigned to a separate car so that every car has its own unique phrase took a very long time, but it was all a lot of fun, and I will happily keep doing this for more and more like car brands or different things. Like I could do for the YouTube shorts, I've been doing like wagons and coupes and sedans and hatchback. I can do that too, and do these extended versions of them because, like I said, I was doing them on the YouTube shorts and I liked doing it that way. But there's a lot of Hondas, and there's a lot of Honda fans, and there's a lot of people who own different Hondas. And so when they saw these videos, they were like, where's my car? Where's the CRX? You know, that was one that I didn't have in there that everybody was like, where's the CRX? People were like, where's the 7th Gen Civics? That wasn't in there. Where's any Accord, really? I didn't have pretty much any of the Accords in there. So I wanted to make it into an extended version and do this video. and just see how it goes. If you guys like it, I'll keep doing them for sure, because the work is worth it. You know, it's fun to do videos like this. It's not like constantly just writing out the same top 10 lists. It's fun to change it up a little bit. So if you guys actually like it, I'll definitely keep doing them, and let me know what other car brands you want to see. Obviously I have some in mind, like Toyota, Nissan, Mitsubishi, Mazda, Chevy, BMW, Audi, wagons, stuff like that. I have some in mind, but let me know what other ones that you want to see. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. I'm sorry for the very long outro today. I wanted to talk to you guys about this new video idea, and just see what your guys' opinions are on it, because every time I do something for this channel, I want to ask you guys first, because it's just as much your channel as it is my channel, if that makes any sense. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. I'm gonna let you go now. Das Vidania. Have a nice night.